Hi everyone, I'll show you how to fix your Surface Pro the red screen. It's a common problem, seems like, on this thing. So all you need to do, power this thing off, make sure it's off completely, turn it off. Okay, once it's off, you'll need to hold volume up on the side and power button. So hold volume up and power button. And then once you see the loading screen, you can release power button and keep holding volume up. Okay, so it's gonna get you to this screen. Now what you need to do is click right here, secure boot control, and click enable. And now it's enabled. You see this. Once you see this, do you want to delete secure boot? No. So just leave it the way it is. Now exit setup, click yes, and now it's gone. As you can see, there's no more red screen. Super simple. Okay, here it is. It was super easy. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.